Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make pozole. Well, it's actually green pozole. And what that is, it's a Mexican soup with pork, hominy, and we're gonna make some green salsa to put into it. So what you're gonna need is pork. I always get these from Winco. It says pork carnita boneless large pack for how many people are gonna be eating. We like to eat a lot, so I usually buy at least two. Today is for my little brother's birthday party, so we're cutting up three packets. You're gonna need cloves. They look like little stems, but they're cloves. You're gonna need basil. I'm sorry, bay leaves. Oregano. You can show it. Oh. Oregano. Sour cream if you want to, which I recommend. You're gonna need cabbage shredded thinly, like this. I came a little late, so my mom already shredded that. You're gonna need, what are these called in English? Radishes. You can cut them up like that. You're gonna need diced up onions, like this. And you're also gonna need onion for the soup. And limes. Basically, that's what you put on your soup when it's already in your bowl. That's the toppings for it. So first, what I'm doing is, and I already washed my hands, I'm cutting up the pork. So what I usually do is just cut this one in half, and then just cut it in fourths. So, like that. You're gonna wanna pour hot water in your pot, so it'll boil faster. So right now we have our water, hopefully it's starting to boil. Then once that starts to boil, we can put in our pork, and then I'll show you guys what's next. Okay, our water's boiling, so we're ready to put our stuff in there. So we're gonna put the pork. You're gonna put about 4, like I said, we're making 3 packs of meat. So I put 4 bay leaves, 1 whole onion, just like that, 3 garlic cloves peeled. And then we're going to smash about 3 little pieces of clove. So what we're gonna do is just grind up the cloves. You need about 3 pieces. Like I said, they look like stems. I know you guys are probably used to ground, like seeing this as already a spike. But this is what cloves look like whole. So we're gonna put that in our molcajete, which is this. And my little sister is going to grind them. Yeah, if you don't have, the only reason why I'm using a molcajete is because I'm at my mom's house and she has one. What I usually do is, I was about to put them in here, and then you just get a glass with a flat bottom, and then you just put them in there and kind of just smash them. They smash pretty easily, so, but obviously when you have one of these it's easier. But I can use my ghetto way as well. Are they done? Yeah, so they're all grinded up now. So like I said, the water's boiling, so we're gonna put in our meat. Very carefully so you don't burn yourself. So we're just gonna put everything in. You can show what we're putting in the meat. Putting in the meat. I'm gonna put in our garlic, our onion, and our ground up cloves. Okay, so right now it's cooking. I'm gonna add some chicken flavor. Just by adding this much in a big spoon. Another one. Another one. And another one. So basically add 4 big spoonfuls of chicken flavor, which is this one. We're almost out, so I'm just going to pour whatever's left from there in here. And if you're doing a smaller pot, just add a little by little and taste it. Don't add too much. If if you're barely starting out, because you don't want it to be too salty. Okay, so before we add our salsa and hominy, we're just gonna take out the onion. And basically you're gonna try to take out the garlic, the onions, and the bay leaves. So take those out and then put in the hominy. Alright, so once you put your salsa in, it should look like this. And I just have everything on boiling for about 20 minutes and then it should be done. Okay guys, my mom prepared her bowl. She's about to try it. How's the pork? Couscous?
Delicious. It melts in your mouth.
I wait. Really?
It does. So tender.
¿Y el hominy?
Soft. Perfect.
And the flavor of the salsa?
Perfect.